there is not just a resilience or carbon emissions case here for deploying on-site energy that's really, in many places, more cost effective to generate your own energy and continue to consume from the grid, but when it's more cost effective. So cost is hands down the primary benefit. Secondary benefit is not having to rely on the grid to clean up and the grid carbon intensity to come down, but to take matters into your own hand and do it yourself. So reducing your carbon emissions, whether that be primarily scope 2 from consumption from the electric grid, but also by reducing your scope 1 emissions by looking at the thermal loads, which many of our industrial customers have. And then beyond that, certainly enabling your clients within the scope 3, which we can talk about later as well. The third primary benefit is resilience. And so being able to ride through a grid outage, being able to have greater power quality, which is a concern for many businesses. These are also benefits of an on-site energy system. The last I'd say is optimizing your interaction with the grid. So again, rarely are companies going to completely disconnect from the grid and island themselves. It's really more of a matter of consuming when it makes the most sense, discharging excess energy when it makes sense, and optimizing that interaction with the grid.